ndakubwira ngo hari
I'm
abantu
telling you there are some
kugira
people,
ushike kw'isezerano ryawe
for you to get into your
utegerezwa
promises, you're
gutandukana
supposed
nabo.
to get separated from them.
kugira ngo Imana ikwishure
For you to get answers,
utegerezwa
you
gutandukana
are
nabo.
supposed to get separated with
kugira
God.
Imana igutabare
For the Lord to save you,
utegerezwa
you
gutandukana
are
nabo.
supposed to separate, you know, to work with
igihe
Jesus.
cyose uri kumwe na Yuda
Anytime you are with Judas,
uzoduga nawe
you
agukwega
are
gusubiza
going
inyuma.
to make a step, then he's going to pull you back.
Yuda
Judas,
ntagomba kurongora,
he doesn't want you to get
ntagomba
married. He
kurongorwa,
doesn't want you to.
ntagomba kuroranirwa,
He doesn't want you to
ntagomba
get your
kuronka
promises. He
amafaranga,
doesn't want you to get
ntagomba
money.
gutera
He doesn't
intambwe,
want you to make a step.
ntagomba ko hari icyo
He
ushikako,
doesn't want you to
ntagomba
reach
umunezero mu
your
rugo,
thing. He doesn't want happiness.
ntagomba kubyara,
He doesn't want you to produce.
ntagomba ko wubaka inzu,
He doesn't want you to build a
ntagomba
house.
gusenga
He
Imana,
doesn't want you to pray.
ntagomba ko wuzura
He
mwebwe
doesn't
yera,
want you to get filled with
ntagomba
the Holy
gukoreshwa
Spirit. He
ibitangaza.
doesn't want you to perform miracles.
Yuda
Judas,
asubiza abantu inyuma.
he pulls back people.